Foundation Module 9 UHS Modular Integrated Undergraduate Curriculum Physiology Dr. Sheen, CEO and founder. Sheikh Zayed Medical College Physiology Department. Medical Super Fast Simplified Physiology Video. Lecture Notes Guyton and Hall 14. Edition Chapter number 51. Lecture number 15. Chapter 51. Learning Objectives. Define and describe different mechanism of dark adaptation. Dark adaptation is the process by which the eyes adjust to low light conditions after exposed to bright light. It involves both physiological and biochemical changes in the eyes, particularly in the retina, that enhance sensitivity to dim light. Mechanism. There are two primary mechanisms involved in dark adaptation. One pupil dilation and two photoreceptor adaptation, including both rods and cones. The first method predominates in strong light and second in dim light. 1. Rod-cone system. The retina contains two types of photoreceptors. Rods, specialized for low light, scotopic vision, sensitive to dim light but cannot detect color. Cones, function in bright light, photopic vision, and are responsible for color vision and high visual acuity. The process of dark adaptation involves these photoreceptors adjusting their sensitivity to light over time. Rod mechanism, rhodopsin regeneration. Rods contains a light-sensitive pigment called rhodopsin. In bright light, rhodopsin is broken down and non-functional. In darkness, rhodopsin regenerates. Rods becomes more sensitive to dim light. The maximum duration of dark adaptation is about 20 to 30 minutes. It depends upon intensity of light, duration of exposure, vitamin A content. Time taken for dark adaptation is directly proportional to the intensity of light and duration of exposure and inversely proportional to vitamin A content. Changes occurring during dark adaptation. Pupils dilate to allow entry of more light. Vision changes from cones to rods, from photopic to scotopic vision. This is called Purkinje shift. Sensitivity of receptors to light increases, photopigments are resynthesized, and so their concentration increases. The pigments are resynthesized by the rhodopsin cycle, visual acuity decreases. Dark adaptation curve. There are two phases in the curve. The first phase is due to dark adaptation of the cones because WNN only the foveal rod-free portion of the retina is tested. The decline does not proceed further. The second phase is due to adaptation of the rods. This adaptation is nearly maximum by 20 minutes, but there is further decline in the visual threshold over longer periods. Significance. So the dark adaptation is due to both cones and rods, but the cones adapt earlier than rods. Radiologists, pilots and other who need maximal visual sensitivity in dim light can avoid waiting for 20 minutes in dark by wearing red goggles. Light waves length in red end of spectrum stimulate the rods to only a slight degree while permitting the cones to function reasonably well. Neural adaptation. As the retina is exposed to darkness, neural pathways adjust to increase the sensitivity to lower light levels. This involves changes in the way retinal cells, such as horizontal cells and bipolar cells, process light information, and how the retinal ganglion cells transmit signals to the brain. Pupil dilation. In dim light, the pupil dilates to allow more light to enter the eye. This reflexive process is controlled by the ANS. Although this plays a role in dark adaptation, it has a relatively small effect compared to the chemical and neural adjustments in the retina. Visual cortex adaptation. Visual cortex adaptation refers to the brain's ability to adjust to different levels of brightness and contrast, optimizing visual perception. Mechanism. The visual cortex adapts by adjusting contrast sensitivity, enhancing or suppressing signals from the retina based on the light levels, and processing visual information to maintain consistent perception. Summary. Cones adapt rapidly but are less effective in very low light. Rods are slower to adapt but provide significant sensitivity to light in darkness, primarily due to rhodopsin regeneration. The combination of photoreceptor changes, pupil dilation, and neural adjustments allows improved vision over time in dark environments.